Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have an order that I had placed from TeaMi Blends. Do you want to see what I got and what's in the box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my last TeaMi review, I had told you guys, because I had bought the zodiac sign insert for my tumblers, and I told you they had a really cool summer one, and I really wish that I would have got it. Well, I went ahead and placed another order because I could not pass them up. And I get to use my own code, which I have, which is SheCrafty15 to save 15% off your entire order. It doesn't matter what you order. Skincare, tumblers, teas, whatever you order, SheCrafty15 will get you 15% off your entire purchase. So I went ahead and ordered a few new things I wanted to share with you guys. And let's go ahead and see. So this time I am trying a new tea, which is TeaMi Refresh. And it looks so pretty. Look at all of those roses in there. The tip on this says TeaMi tip. Our premium tea is made from the highest quality ingredients around the world. Don't waste the ingredients. Brew 3 cups of tea using the same leaf simply by adding more hot water. So reuse your same tea blend 3 different times to get the maximum usage out of your teas. So you can basically use this whole entire thing that's jam-packed full 3 times with 1 bag. So the calories in this one is 98 in a serving of 1 tablespoon. There's no fat, there's no cholesterol. There's, let's see, this is ingredient. What is that? Anyway, what is an ingredient? The ingredients is dried mango, dried strawberry, mint tea, and pink rose. That is it. Contains plant-based caffeine. So again, here is the packaging. Here is the nutrition facts. And I'm gonna open it and see what it looks like inside in just a second. I'm gonna take out my other products. And I am so excited. They always put a card in here and it tells you our TeaMi tumbler is the best way to drink our TeaMi on the go. Sometimes UPS can be rough with our packages. If your tumbler is not in perfect condition, please email us at right away with a picture and we'll ship you out a replacement right away. So they back their products. Even if shipping messes something up, they will still take care of it. So that is an amazing thing. Now in here, I purchased the summer set, and you have the the popsicles. These are so freaking cute. There is this rose one. So that has little roses on it. Sorry, my lights, but there's some roses. And then here is like some palm leaves. So these are actually so cute that I can use year round. The popsicle one is definitely more of a summer, but the flowers and the leaves, even the popsicles, I can use these year round. So I went ahead and I did buy a black one for my man, because sometimes when I make the tea in the pitcher, the TeaMi pitcher, if I pour my cup, he takes a drink and he's like, ooh, I wish I had that. That's better than my juice. And I'm like, but when I do use it with the pitcher, it does have bigger holes in the pitcher. So sometimes some of the little tiny debris gets in my cup. So I always use their TeaMi tumbler. So it's kind of like a double duty. So by the time it comes out of here, I get nothing that comes in here, which I love. And so here is the black one that I got for him. I'm not going to put an insert because his is going to just stay like this so it can be manly. But this is the little strainer. So whatever you put down inside here, you put the strainer on top, and none of that is coming out, but just the goodness of the liquid. Now, these are not good just for tea. You can infuse water. You can even do iced tea in here. You can do anything. So you can put your fruits and anything down here with the water, and then none of that stuff is going to come out of the top. I just love these cups. So I had to buy me another one. I have a gray one of this size. This is the 13.5 ounce. Now he has a black one. I have a baby blue, and then I had to get the mint because I just had to get the mint. So The mint one looks like this. And this is the 20 ounce. So this one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the popsicles in, but even this green leaf one would look amazing in here. And even the flower, layers on layers, the flowered one would look even pretty cool in there too because of the green petals. So this one I know would look good with all of them. And I think what I'm gonna do is put in the popsicle one for now. So let's go ahead and do that. There's a sticker on the bottom of this little cup that you can take off. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, you guys, the bottom of this does come off. You can store if you have vitamins or anything you want to store in here, or your tea just to put in here for later. So you do have this little cool storage compartment on the bottom. Then this, of course, like I just showed you, the lid comes off here. Here's the strainer. Take that out. And then this thing comes off this way. And you stick this on. There's a, I learned from my last one, there's a plastic protection you take off and you fold it and stick it down in your tumbler. Perfect. Look how cute. And then, oh, put my top back. That is just so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So that's what it looks like with my new insert. I love these inserts. I love these tumblers. This is all that I use now at night even. I'll pour whatever I'm drinking even with my dinner, pour my tea, and I use these. So I'm so glad to get another one with some cool inserts, and then I can switch them out and customize them at any other time. So now let me go ahead and move all this paper and stuff. Okay, so now that that is all moved, I will go ahead and open up the top of this so we can see what this looks like inside the bag and smell it. I love their teas. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, so there's mango, was it mint leaf, pink rose, and dried strawberries. So that is what it looks like in there, you guys. That is so pretty. Look at the teas. And they're all hand picked, so not every single bag is going to look exactly the same. But you can see the chunks of mango in there. You can see the roses. You can see all the ingredients. This is all natural, and that's all that's in there, you guys. That is it. Look at these little roses. And there's the mango. These are so cool. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh no, there wasn't mango in that hand. That was all roses. So this must be the dried strawberries. And here is like the little pieces of mango. All right, I can't wait to try this. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash out my new cup, my popsicle cup, and I'm going to brew. We'll get one of these ready in here, and then I'll be back to taste it and let you know what I think of this particular tea, Refresh. I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I made my tea and I put it in the refrigerator for a while so it can cool down, because this is the Refresh, and I feel like it would be so much refreshing if it was cold and not hot. I did kind of cheat and took a little taste while it was still warm, which was still good, but I want to see what it's going to be now, nice and cold. That is definitely refreshing. I get a hint of the mintiness, but it is nice and refreshing. I do like it cold. You can see the roses that are in there, and I got my chunks of the mango and some other leaves and stuff that is settled on the bottom. But with my handy dandy strainer, none of that gets in my mouth. I do like that. I do like that. And I like the fact that you can use it 3 different times. The same blend 3 times in your same cup, and you get to use it longer and enjoy it more. So I do enjoy that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is my review on my new mint colored tumbler with the summer inserts and trying out the new Refresh tea. And I actually do love it. It says refreshingly sweet. I do get a little tint of like a sweetness, a mintiness, just refreshingness. It's really nice. I do like that blend. So there you have it, you guys. Again, my link will be down below. SheCrafty 15 will get you 15% off your entire order. I do still need to do a review on the Vite C, the tea infused face serum. That one will be coming soon because I now had a chance to use the entire bottle. Like, that's all that's left in there. So that review will be coming soon as well. So look out for that in the near future. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would greatly appreciate it for you to stick around and see my other videos and join the fun when we have it. So thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.